I have seen a great danger rise
Learn.
from Mount Olympus. It will threaten not only the gods,
Now,
but the mortal world as well. You like...
careful. Completely. To your feet.
I shall now open the gates of Olympus for you to enter. But beware, you are mortals in the realm of gods. Your presence here is blasphemy, and your lives are in danger. Your fate now rests in your hands.
Diana, it is a joy to see a daughter of Themyscira in her battle-bred glory. But it is with profound disappointment that I must fight you and your friends. The grounds of Olympus are for the feet of gods alone.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, mighty Athena, but you will find that my friends are very strong.
You risk the fury of a god. That is but an annoying scratch. Well struck. Now it's my turn. Bring down a rain of arrows upon them.
If we cover all the quadrants, I bet we can stop them from deploying more ballistae.
Allies, to the south! Call forth your inner reserves and attack! You have courage to strike a god. Reinforcements to all quadrants.
Now,
quickly!
your pay.
You be you for the glory of the gods! risk the fury of the gods. Allies, go east! For mortals who fight with the ferocity of the gods, I commend you.
5D rock coals.
You have bested Athena, and that is no small feat. But might alone will not protect you against greater gods. Travel to Hecate's workshop to retrieve the elixir
dares enter my workshop uninvited?
Wise Hecate, we would not dare disturb you if the situation were not dire. My mother's soul is in danger, and we come seeking the elixir of ambrosia to aid us in battle.
My concerns are not for you, child, or your mother. I wish to work my enchantments in peace. Now be gone. Alliance, banish these strangers. I take refuge in the defense of the moonlit night. Leave me be. Was a mistake. I shall reciprocate in kind. You vex me. My defenses are impenetrable.
We must change the moon phase to take away some of her power.
You annoy the mother of spells.
Make sure the elixir is ready to use at a moment's notice.
What mortals dare set foot on Olympus? And you among them, Diana. I expected better of you.
Mighty Zeus, I ask of you to forgive the trespass. We are here to rescue the soul of my mother. She was taken by Ares and Circe.
Is this true, Ares? What can I say? The Themysciran woman of wonder speaks the truth. No magic lasso needed. For what purpose? For the purpose of ripping the crown from your insufferable brow. No god or mortal is powerful enough to take my crown.
Your time on the throne is over, old man.
I will strike all of you down! Ah! No mortal can survive my wrath!
Will you never learn?
How dare you strike mighty Zeus! Ah! For that I shall cast you out! The power of my mighty lightning will be the end of you! Pathetic mortal! My wrath be upon you! Can you withstand even a fraction of my power? Ah! The power of my mighty lightning will be the end of you! I shall admonish you all!
Stop now and you won't get hurt.
For that I shall cast you out! No mortal can survive my wrath! Can you withstand even a fraction of my power? Ah!
Brother, you will never learn to think before you strike. Your actions brought these mortals here. And how dare you use the Queen of the Amazons against our father? May your soul return to your body on Themyscira.
Thank you, wise Athena.
Father, these mortals had no choice but to...
It's about time you showed up. We had a deal?
Here is the crown you so covet, Circe. Wear it while you may.
No! You traitorous witch!
I could get used to this.
It's him! He returns to Olympus! to slay the king of the gods.
Counter-Lucas will run red with the blood of godly arrogance, as I, Typhon, god of monsters, take what I want from this puny protector who wears the crown of Zeus.
Wait, what?
Monsters shall rule the world.
Typhon has always wanted to destroy the gods, starting with the crown.
Well done, Mother. You've doomed us all.
I may have indeed, but it was the only way to save Zeus. I suppose I could have told you about my vision of Typhon from the start. How he would return from his imprisonment under Mount Etna to defeat and destroy Zeus. But we gods are set in our ways. And I knew Circe could be manipulated to take the crown Typhon wishes to wear.
Curse that teacher. That was my crown!